Persons with criminal records associated with convictions for minor quantities of cannabis will soon be able to have their records expunged following the passage of the Criminal Records Rehabilitation of Offenders Amendment Bill 2023 in the St. Kitts and Nevis National Assembly. The bill was moved by the representative for constituency number 8, Prime Minister Dr. Terence Drew, who is also the Minister of National Security. The amendment sought to expand the list of offences under which a convicted person could have their cannabis-related records expunged. In presenting the bill in the National Assembly, Dr. Drew placed context on the intent of the bill.
This government believes in equal opportunity, equity, and the rights for all, irrespective of any differences that we might have, whether it be along religious lines, cultural lines, sex, age. We believe there must be equity. And the Rastafarian community is a community that has suffered significantly, not only in St. Kitts and Nevis, but throughout the region. And therefore, we have to make sure that our laws comply with the High Court and make sure that we continue to stress that we should not discriminate and we should follow the law, because law is important. So the plan of this government is to support the cultivation and use of cannabis by adults in their private homes as their constitutional right. The High Court says that. If we have such plans, which are being accepted rapidly throughout the world, why would we continue to punish men and women who were convicted in the past of doing the same activities we plan to promote? This is a very critical matter, Madam Speaker. I have spoken about this multiple times on the political platform.
Leader of the opposition, Mark Brantley, sought to manage expectations over the bill because of what he described as complex issues.
For all the reasons that we have heard, the issue of cannabis is not simply a local issue. The banking issues have been referred to, the Honourable Member from number 7. We have heard the Honourable Member from number 11 make the very salient point that, notwithstanding what we do here today, the US government, for example, on an application for a visa may yet ask the question, have you had a conviction in the past? And you're expected to give a truthful answer. And then they may act accordingly. So I think we need to be careful, moderate in our language, so that the public gets a clear understanding of what it is we're seeking to do. And we don't be so ebullient and exuberant in our expressions that we send out there the misconception that tomorrow you can now apply for a visa and all will be well. You're going to go to America to marry your sweetheart because the thing said no. No, the sweetheart will still have to come here, because we cannot dictate from this parliament what the US government or any other government may do. And so I think that the moderation of that language, so that we speak to our people in a way that our people understand that these steps are incremental.
The bill was also motivated by the High Court's 2019 decision in the Rassan Kofa Maccabee case, which he won on issues of constitutionality. The bill, therefore, was a step to ensure that the Constitution is not infringed in relation to the cultivation and possession of cannabis. Glenn Bark reporting for SKN Newsline.